So you've chosen to purchase a leather product, something like this. A suitcase, for example. What is important when you buy a product like this that is made of the hide of an animal is, in my opinion, to make it last a lifetime. Because leather is, although it's very elegant, it's not very resistant against the elements of nature. For example, sunlight can damage your product, or rain. So what you want to do when you buy a leather product is immediately take some preparational care of it. What I always do is I always apply a spray. I just apply this all over the item. What this does is it contains some wax and some waterproof, so it immediately offers some protection against both of these elements. The wax is to keep the leather hydrated, and the waterproofing, of course, is protection against rain. I think when an animal dies, for our convenience, the least we can do is make sure that the product he has turned into lasts at least a lifetime. And I think leather products definitely have potential to be passed down. And an example I can give is this laptop bag. I bought this in the autumn of 2023. And if you look at it, it basically looks the same as when I just bought it. There are some marks on it, of course, but this is the result of taking good care of your items. And I think that is the traditional sustainability we've forgotten about, to actually respect the things we own and to take care of them.